What's up, everybody? So, back again with another challenge today. We're looking at another bar from Willy Pete's. So, in the past, I've done quite a few of them. I did the Moab, I set a time at 251 on that. I did 2 Nemesis bars, then 3, because I failed the first time trying to do 3. And then I've also done the Chili Cherry Nightmare. Willy Pete's is a veteran-owned company, and they also have the Veterans Crisis Hotline, as seen. So that's on the label as well. Now, this one is a brand new bar from Brian Sharapi. It is called Raspberry Rain. It has a warthog on the front. This is dark chocolate infused with Carolina Reapers and filled with Raspberry Reaper jam. I was talking to Brian a little bit about it, and he said that he was a little bit nervous that the jam was actually too hot. Told him that's not possible, but I'm gonna let him know what I think. Warning, these chocolates are not for those sensitive to spicy foods and should be kept out of reach. Small children and pets, do not use as a prank. Eat at your own risk. Right. So let us do this. So I'm willing to bet that based on these 3 labels right here, that this label was also designed by Roger from the Hot Dang Show. I think Roger's the main man for these labels these days. It appears my bar may have gotten a little melty in Transport. Live in the desert though, and it's still in the high 90s outside, so these things happen. So I was talking to Brian, and he said, I asked what the rules were, and he just said, just survive it. So this is a half-pound bar like his other ones. The jam is pretty soft. That's interesting. I don't know if I've ever seen full-on real jam like that inside of a candy bar. Alright, Raspberry Reaper says super hot. Let's get into it. Yeah, that is a full-on liquid soft jam. Glad I refrigerated this. You can tell most of the heat is in the jam itself, rather than, I mean, the chocolate's hot, but the jam being liquid really is the first thing you feel. Amazing flavor. Like, this is full on, like, delicious jam. You could actually make it like a Nemesis bar, and you would straight up have a peanut butter and jelly bar. Like, where's Crazy Kimberlin? That peanut butter cup filling. That is so good. I would almost say this might be my new favorite from him. It really pairs with the chocolate so good. So nicely. So well. So good. Now that I'm looking at it, maybe it didn't get so melty as maybe just a little beat up in Transport. And then some of the jam leaking out. Oh, this is so good.
One eternity later.
Alright, so, as to be expected, is everything that comes from Willy Pete's is fantastic. This chocolate is no different. Straight up, I was expecting more like a stiff, kind of jam-like, but just, you know, more artificial filling, like a Pop-Tart, I guess. And no, that's full-on jam in chocolate. Amazing. And you can taste the raspberry so well on top of, like, just it's more raspberry forward than Reaper forward, which is amazing because I know how hard it is to beat Reaper powder flavor. Excuse me, when you're putting it heavily into a bar. Brian, you have outdone yourself on this one. It is fantastic. And as far as where you can get this, or if you're not into insane half-pound challenge bars, any range of heat. He has a lot of actual very interesting flavors and different types of bars as well. If you want to challenge yourself, or you just want to pick up some regular chocolate, you're going to go to willypetechocolates.com. If you want to see some more challenges, we got more coming up. Got some big things in the works. And other sauce reviews are also in the works. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and we will see you next time.